For God that kept you from January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. This is the last Sunday in October. Can you lift up your voice and put your hands together? Stand to your feet and give the Lord a shout. Shout back the Lord in this place. I can't hear you enough. Raise the sound in this place that shows that you are grateful. Give the Lord a shout. Listen, our God is a miracle worker. Tell your neighbor, say our God is a miracle worker. All right, can you mention 5 miracles Jesus performed in the Bible? Come on. Oh yeah, tell me. He walked upon the sea, yes. He raised the dead, yes. He opened the blind eyes, yes. He made the lame walk, yes. Now, listen. Can you go ahead and tell 2 people 5 miracles God has performed in your life? 5. Just go ahead and tell 2 people. 2 people. Higher. Hey, just tell them 2 people. 5 miracles God has performed in your life from January to October. Higher. Somebody shout, Iyanu. Are you ready for this one? One more time. Somebody shout, Iyanu. Olùgbanilà, olùwònísàn, olùfúnniláyọ̀, ọba agbógbàrún má tẹ̀jẹ́, ọlọ́run ayérayé, ọlọ́run ọlọ́wọ́ gbọgbọrọ. Here we go. Abẹ́ ló ń ṣe oníṣẹ́ ìyanu o. My God. Abẹ́ ló ń ṣe oníṣẹ́ ìyanu o. Oníṣẹ́ ara lọ́lọ́run mi, ọba ńlá o. Ṣé abẹ́ ló ń ṣe oníṣẹ́ ìyanu? Ṣé oníṣẹ́ ara lọ́lọ́run mi, ọba ńlá o. Somebody give him praise. We worship you, King of glory. Come on. Yeah. Are you ready for this one? Say, Oníṣẹ́ ìyanu. Oníṣẹ́ ìyanu. Listen, àwọn gbàrún wọn bẹ̀jẹ̀ ni o. Ó làjú àfọ́jú. Yàtọ̀, ó ti òkú nìde o. Ọlọ́wọ́ gbọgbọrọ ni o. Ohun àrọ̀ lára dá o. Sẹ́mi, oníṣẹ́ ìyanu. Somebody give me praise. Show me the answer. And give the Lord a shout. Sing it one more time. Say, oníṣẹ́ ìyanu. Oníṣẹ́ ìyanu. Owó lẹ́sùn ọ̀run wọ́múwọ́múwọ́mú. Ó ṣiṣẹ́ agbára ńlá o. Abẹ́ ló ń ṣe oníṣẹ́ ìyanu o. Somebody give him a shout. Somebody shout, Iyanu. So, Iyanu. Say, Iyanu. Say, Iyanu. Iyanu. Listen up, say, Iyanu. Yeah. Somebody give him a shout in this place. How many of you can testify to his goodness? He's a miracle working God. He can reverse the irreversible. The womb that people have said is not going to carry a child has brought forth 3 babies. He's able to do exceedingly, abundantly above all we could ever ask him or think, according to the power that worketh in us. Can you give him a shout in this land? Oníṣẹ́ ìyanu, you're the God of us. the half, just the half, come on. Can you say it like you are testifying about your life? Onishe o.